Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aimini Izzah binti Asori and metric number 1250676. Today, I will be presenting the evolution of Islamic legal administration and its institutional development. The objective of this presentation are to explain the concept of Islamic legal administration, examine the evolution of Islamic legal administration, and analyze the development of legal institution in Islamic governance. Sharia, in a wider sense, refers to the totality of God's commands that regulate our relations with Allah, human beings, and the environment. In the context of this course, Islamic law refers to the legal rules that form part of the Sharia as enacted, applied, and administered in Malaysia. Over time, the administration of Islamic law in Malaysia has evolved from its early implementation in the Malay Sultanates to a structured system under colonial and post-independence governance. This evolution also involved the development of institutions such as the Sharia courts, Jakim, and state Islamic religious councils, which ensure that Islamic law is applied effectively and consistently across the country. Firstly, I will explain the evolution of Islamic legal administration during the pre-colonial era. Islam arrived in Malacca around 1414 when para Meswara embraced Islam, marking a significant turning point in Malay history. Malacca became a center of Islamic learning and governance until its fall to the Portuguese in 1511. Islam influenced not only religious but also social, cultural, political, and legal system. Prior to Islam, Malay customs were heavily influenced by Hinduism, particularly the concept of Devaraja or divine kingship. Islam replaced this belief with the Sultanate system, which was regarded as being similar to the Caliphate institution in Islamic governance. Earliest evidence in Islamic law is Terengganu inscription stone. Next, during the British colonial era, Islamic legal administration underwent significant changes. The introduction of the Royal Charters of Justice in the Straits Settlement and other forms of British intervention in Malay states gradually reduced the scope of Islamic law to mainly family and personal matters such as marriage, divorce, and inheritance. English law increasingly replaced Islamic law as the governing law wherever religious custom and Islamic principle permitted. Islamic law remained under the state control for Muslim personal matters, forming the foundation of Malaysia's dual legal system post-independence. After independence, the Federal Constitution recognized Islam as the religion of the Federation, providing a legal foundation for the administration of Islamic law in Malaysia. State governments were granted the authority to enact Islamic laws, particularly on family, inheritance, and personal matters for Muslims. Steps were taken to make Sharia courts' authority stronger. The 1888 Amendment to Article 121, Clause 1A of the Federal Constitution officially recognized the Islamic legal system and confirmed the jurisdiction of Sharia courts. This development strengthened Islamic legal administration, ensuring it remained relevant and governed Muslim personal and family matters exclusively. In addition, the Sharia courts were strengthened and formally structured to handle administration in Malaysia. The establishment of national jurisdiction and administration a crucial role in the development of Islamic legal administration, which helped improve the organization and efficiency of Islamic legal administration across the country. To coordinate Islamic affairs at the national level and ensuring consistency in policy and family matters at the state level, state Islamic religious councils or Majlis Agama Islamic through specific legislation and religious matters within their organization and moreover, strengthening institutional capacity has been a key focus in the development of Islamic legal administration. This includes training and professional development programs for Sharia judges, prosecutors, and court office to enhance their legal knowledge and skills. The standardization of court procedures and improvement of court infrastructure has further enhanced the effectiveness of the system. Additionally, coordination between Sharia courts and civil courts has been strengthened, particularly in cases with overlapping jurisdiction to avoid conflicts and ensure smooth administration of justice. Overall, these measures have significantly enhanced the ability of Islamic legal institutions to deliver justice effectively. Lastly, standardization of Islamic law is an important step in the development of Islamic legal administration. Authorities have made significant efforts to harmonize Islamic laws across all states, aiming to reduce variation in legal provisions. These efforts primarily focus on Muslim personal and family matters, ensuring consistency and fairness in legal application. For example, the Islamic Family Law Federal Territories Act 1984 served as a model for other states to adopt similar legislation. Overall, the standardization of Islamic law has enhanced the consistency, fairness, and efficiency of Islamic legal administration in Malaysia. To conclude, the evolution of Islamic legal administration in Malaysia shows its growth from the pre-colonial sultanates to a structured modern system. During the colonial era, Islamic law was limited to personal matters, but after independence, it gained formal recognition under the Federal Constitution. The establishment of Sharia Court, Jakim, and state Islamic religious councils, along with law standardization and modernization, has strengthened the system, balancing traditional Islamic principles with modern legal administration. That's all from me. Thank you.